Here I have JAECOO 5, and on this example let me show you how to use and how to adjust the speed compensated volume feature of JAECOO car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here you need to find and select the settings icon. It's located right here at the top right corner of the screen, and now you've got access to JAECOO settings. Let's find here and select the sound. As you can see, this is the sound section, and here you can use the sound settings. So now we need to find and see the speed compensated volume. It's right here. This feature automatically adjusts your music volume based on how fast you are driving to counteract ambient wind and road noise. You can set it to low, as you can see right here, or even deactivate. You can also choose here medium or high. So as you speed up on the highway, the car will automatically turn the music slightly. As you slow down or stop at the traffic light, it gently lowers it back, so it isn't too loud. I think medium is the best choice from my experience, but you can set it up to your needs. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.